Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everybody out there, this is Sherry, KY Philly Diamond Painting and more. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming and joining me today. Today I have a product review. A company sent me an email and asked me if I would review their product, and of course I said okay. They sent this to me for free. I have not opened it. I just got it yesterday, so I thought I would show you. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I don't know if I need scissors. Sorry about the paper sound there. So I don't even know the packaging. So this is what it is, guys. This says paint by number diamond stickers. So when they emailed me, they told me that it was a diamond painting, but that the canvas wasn't sticky, but the diamonds are sticky. And they wanted to know if I would show this, and I said yes. So we are going to look in here and see what this is all about. So it's Digichroma Animal Babies Paint by Numbers. There's 36 sheets of diamond stickers. It says diamonds pre-arranged neatly on base film, easier to pick and stick. No exposed adhesive surface, neat for both play and storage, and reusable lifetime adhesive clay. So that's what the front of the box says. All right, so that's what the box looks like. So we have let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this with my scissors, and we'll open the box up. Hopefully I had that in frame, I'm not sure. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. Looks like one of the little diamonds has escaped off of the, there's a few in here that have escaped off of the sheets. And we'll see what this is all about. So, excuse me, these are numbered. This has the number 3 on the back of it. This one has 0. Let's just see if we can get these out of here. So it says they're, excuse me, 36 sheets, but I don't know how many colors. I'm going to pause you for just a second. Okay, so sorry about that. I don't want to keep coughing in your ear. So this is the blank canvas. And we do have some diamonds in here that have escaped. But this is the canvas. I will bring you down so you can see So they're within guide circles and they're numbered. And it looks like numbers and letters. So this is what that sheet looks like. I'm going to lay that down here. And then I'm going to take these off of here. All right. We get an instruction sheet. Excuse me. One, take the clay. You take, which is this. And again, there's little diamonds stuck to it. But I don't see any missing from the... So you just peel the top off of that. And here's your... This feels like a putty. Like a putty. You get... Oh dear. You... Excuse me. You... 2 of the pins. Okay, so you get the 2 pins. You get your... they're calling this clay. And it tells you to pick the diamonds up off of your little sticker sheets. And I'm gonna stack these up with what they go with as we go here. And then you place the diamond on the corresponding number on the canvas. So that is how this works. I'm gonna keep looking here because I'm not sure how many colors we actually have. And I will actually see if we can, I'll put some clay on this here in just a second. And there's an H. You guys can't see all these, but I'll bring them down so you can. An N. And sorry, I'm not talking, I'm concentrating here on what I'm doing, but I just wanted you to see what this is like. There's several of the blue. I'm gonna assume that's the background of this, maybe. There's a number 7, number 8, number 3, a 0 and a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors in this packet. All right. So we have 10 different colors. Let's just see. What it's like. Picking them up with the stylus and laying them down. All right. So I just am loading my pen. And we're gonna try, so you can lay these down over here on your, okay. So I'm gonna try to pick one up. I slid it just a little, and I'm going to place it here on the 3. Okay. So they pick up fairly easily from the sticker sheet. And so there you go. Let's see. Let's zoom in on that. How about that? So zoom in so you can see kind of what I'm doing here. Let's get over here. So I pick it up. Sorry. Pick it up and place it right there. Pick it up. And they're stuck pretty decently to this little canvas. So anyway, I'll just tell you a little bit about this company. Let me see. Let me get in here. So here is the home page. Let's back out just a tad. Here's the home page, and up here you touch that and until you go to their home page, this is what we do. And it has the crafts and the arts, and then science. There's nothing in their science category. So let's go to art. So in the art, it's paint. They have paint by numbers, and they have a coloring book, and they have markers. In the crafting, they have string light craft kits, art kits. They're string light. So we have that, and the kit that I actually have, let's see here. There's the paint by number kit. There is what that is, but this is for markers, I think. But I do have the direct link to the diamond paint. Here's the diamond painting kits. So diamond painting art kit for kids and adults. I have the link to the one that I have, which is the dog, which is on the front of the box that I showed you when we first started. So the dog here is what I have. And there was an option. There were 3 options. There was the rabbit, the dog, and a cat. I'm not sure why they're not pulling up on the site. Let's just see. Okay, there's the cat, there's the dog. Here's the one that I have. So there's the dog. And there's the cat. And then they have a bunny rabbit in the diamond art kits. So I just thought I would show you a little bit about what they have to offer. It says an all-in-one do-it-yourself diamond painting kit. Complete diamond paint by numbers kit with a no-mess twist. It includes pre-printed copper paper and peel and stick diamond stickers. No glue, no loose diamonds, just creative fun ready to unfold. Revolutionary peel and stick diamonds. Our innovative diamond dot stickers eliminate the mess of traditional kits designed for beginners and kids. They're easy to peel in place, fostering independence and fine motor skills. Multi-purpose fun and leftover creativity. The creative fun doesn't stop when the painting is complete. Use any leftover diamond stickers to decorate water bottles, laptops, journals, or windows. Unleash your child's imagination and add a sparkling personal touch to their everyday items. Create vivid, frame-worthy animal art. Follow the symbols to complete a sparkling animal diamond art masterpiece. The letter size design is perfect for framing and displaying in a bedroom, offering a wonderful sense of accomplishment. So, I believe this is, it's the size of a piece of copy paper, okay, or notebook paper, regular size. It's, I don't remember, 8.5 by 11, I believe. 8.5 inches by 11 inches is the size of the canvas. So, guys, that's what I have to show you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you are interested, please go over to the site, check them out. It's not anything, I mean, I've seen stickers before, but never stickers with numbers like our diamond art, where we have the number of the symbol on a sticker sheet. So go check them out, you guys. I do not have a discount code or anything like that with the company. I'm not an affiliate, but I did just say yes, I would review this. So again, you guys remember, show the love of Jesus, be kind to others, give someone a kind word or a smile, because you never know what a difference you can make in that person's life. God bless you, and until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.